What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. All of you new subscribers, guys, I've gotten like 20,000 subscribers in the past few weeks, which is crazy. I'm gonna be taking you through what I eat in a day. I post one of these once a month, so it's time to check in for the month of February. But today's gonna be a little bit different. Today's gonna be kind of a lazy girl what I ate today. Like minimal cooking. Like there's gonna be cooking, but nothing should take more than 10 minutes. I'm having one of those weeks. I'm having one of those weeks where I just don't feel like being in the kitchen. I'm getting ready to go to the gym. I usually have some type of snack. I'm just gonna make a protein smoothie. I've made this plenty of times in the past. It's one of my go-tos. It's easy and it's super, super high in protein. By the way, I'm still in a calorie deficit. We're 2 months in so far. This is when things start to pick up, okay? The first 2 months for me are always slow, not a lot of change, or at least you don't feel like a lot of change, but then when month 3 hits, month 3 is when things get real. And it's like, oh, she's dieting. All right, my good blender is dirty, so we're using my little cheap $10 one. Egg whites, they just blend so well in smoothies and it's just so much extra protein. But I promise you, you can't taste the egg whites and you can't even like feel the texture of it. Powdered peanut butter, lower in calories, and then got protein in it. A scoop of our protein, I use the Beam vanilla protein. Just ordered another one yesterday because this is almost gone. I'm gonna put in some spinach, wild blueberries. Actually, I'm gonna put in some chia seeds too. I'm gonna add some chia to get some extra fiber in there. Okay, I got my smoothie here, which I'm gonna sit here and drink and then start planning out my day, my little task, and then unfortunately it's the end of the month, so it's time to pay bills.
I'm on hiatus, baby don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't do and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working. Soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free.
Obviously back from the gym and it's time for breakfast. I just wanted a little breakfast sandwich. That's it, just something quick. I got a couple strips of bacon, an egg, some cheese, and avocado, light mayo, and then a multi-grain English muffin. And then just to get a little bit more protein in, I'm gonna have a Chobani cup. This is almost 30 grams of protein. Wait, let me see. Wait, 15, 25. Yeah, this is almost 30 grams of protein. Like maybe right below 30 grams, maybe like 29. I'm just gonna have this with more water, and then I'll be back for lunch, which will probably be a while. All right, I'm back, and it's lunch, technical lunch. Yeah, it's lunchtime, and I'm going to make like an adult lunchable. So I'm just gonna find a bunch of stuff in the refrigerator and just kind of put it together. Like a charcuterie board. Got some salami, prosciutto, just different type of gourmet meats. I get these from Trader Joe's. Some apple, some cheese, smoked Gouda, which is my favorite cheese, and a little sharp cheddar, berries, carrots, baby peppers, plant-based cream cheese, and this is a chives and onions. Look, there's certain things that I can do that has dairy in it and other things that I can't. So I can do like sharp cheddar and smoked Gouda. These don't really bother me, but other things bother me. Like cream cheese would mess me up. So I'm doing this one. I have some pickle spears. Really just grabbing stuff. Oh, and then I got some caramel rice cakes. The little baby rice cake. All right, and here we are. I actually didn't even end up adding the rice cakes because I got a lot going on here already and my plate is full. I guess there was just a lot more food than I thought it was gonna be. I'm a charcuterie board girl, and so this is right up my alley. Fat, protein, and carbs. We got it all here. Every meal that we have to have has to be like completely cooked. I got ingredients here. Can we just eat the ingredients separate? I'm gonna snack on this, and then I'll be back in a little bit for dinner. Dinner is done. I have this massive chicken salad. This is not a small bowl. This is a pasta bowl. But this is so good. Let me run down the ingredients again because I got obviously the iceberg lettuce, and I put in some cucumbers, red onions, avocado, and then the roasted chickpeas. Good. Just pop those in the air fryer. And this chicken I just bought at Costco, pop those both in the air fryer at the same time. 14 minutes for the chickpeas and like 8 minutes for the chicken. The onions, some salt and pepper. And then I'm using a light honey mustard dressing. And if you have some cranberries, I bet if you pop some cranberries on top of this too. Bye. My Diet Dr. Pepper, which I'm gonna have. Thank you for tuning in to my lazy girl full day of eating. As you see, there was very minimal amount of cooking, okay? a lot of raw vegetables, a lot of different colors, a lot of fruits, all of that. And I'm just trying to get more fruits and veggies in my diet anyway. That's everything down below. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you guys in the next one. Good night.